The next project
Hey
or next
guys,
worksheet
missed the
here,
live
missing
session?
vowels.
Here's a
Looks like it
quick
has something.
recap
All the
from
words have something
Thursday's
to do
Brain
with
Game
gardening.
Challenge. Play along and see how
I'll
sharp your mind
just go
is.
ahead and go to this
And
next
if you
one.
want to catch the
You
full
see that?
session, head to the live
What
session
what
playlist, linked in the
are
description
vowels?
below.
I know A, E, I, O, U. What are the rest of them? I think there's an additional one or two. Let's check. No? That's it? Oh, okay. It's the A, E, I, O, U and sometimes Y, it looks like. All right. Let's see. I need a pen for this one. Let's see. So we have A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Okay. So all of these words here have something to do with gardening. So soil, I'm pretty sure that's what that is. This one could be grow, G-R-O-W, or even, yeah, even grew, I guess, G-R-E-W, but we'll go with grow. And then dirt, B, could that be bark? B-A-R-K, like the bark to a tree? Would that have anything to do with gardening? I don't know. We could check it at the end. I'll put a little asterisk and see. We can check the answer key on the back. This could be bulb, like the bulb to a flower, the flower bulb, yeah. Pots. Thank you for joining. If you just joined us, right now we're working on the missing vowels. All the words have to do with gardening. Please make sure to smash the like button and leave a comment, please. Let us know where you're from. I'm located in the United States. This one could be root, like the roots to the plants or the flowers. Rock. Turf. Do you have turf in your garden or with gardening? I've heard of turf on the soccer fields. I go for it. I'm gonna put an asterisk to check that one. And then we have here vine, V-I-N-E. Oh, that has to be hose, H-O-S-E, hose. F-L. I don't know what that could be. Flax, like flaxseed, but that I don't know how that would be with gardening. Flux, flex. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go ahead and put flax, but I don't know how that would be related to gardening. I just know flaxseed. So moss. T R. What could this be? T-R, trowel? Is that a word? Trowel? T-R-O-W-E-L? I'm not sure. T-R-O-W-E-L. I don't know, but we're gonna put it on there. It might not be right. L. Gosh, that looks like lime to me. I don't know. Lime? L. Lime? Lame? Loom? Anybody have any idea what that could be? It has to do with gardening? I have no idea. I don't know. I mean, I guess if you grow a lime, but we'll put an asterisk to check that one because I'm not sure. Bar, B-A-R-R-E, is that a word? Berry, B-E-R-R-Y, maybe. I guess if you grow berries, grow lime. I guess. And then, find. Find wouldn't have anything to do with gardening, would it? Fend, fund, fend, fand, fund, fond, maybe? I don't know. Find, we'll do find. We'll try that one. And then, do we have turf again? Turf? I don't know. Because that's the same as up here. My vocabulary is not very big, obviously, right? Anybody have any idea what that could be? Turf? Torf? I'm not sure. Well, I'm gonna skip this one and I'll just put an asterisk. Um, H, house, HOU, no. H, I have no idea. What could that be? H, to do it gardening, we have to put one of these vowels, but I'm not sure. No, house, HOU, no. He's, I have no idea. I'll just skip that one too. If you guys got any ideas, put it in the comments, and we'll go ahead and put it down, mark it, and then we can check it at the end. This one could, let's see, link RS E, let's see, could be, has to be AEIOU, sometimes Y. Let's see, I don't know. These are tricky for me. That will be seed, SEED. And then this one would be, would that be woods? Would the woods have anything to do with gardening? I mean, I'm not sure. Weeds. No, it's weeds, I bet. WEEDS. Because you have weeds, right? They grow in your garden. And then maybe leaf. You have leaves. Yeah, it could be leaf. And then maybe herb. You have herb. You grow herbs in the garden. And then this one could be prune because you prune, right? PRUNE. And then crop. Yeah, you have crops. That could be with gardening. Tool. Shed. Fern, maybe? FERN, but that's a plant. I don't know. You grow fern in your garden? I don't know. Fern? Farn? I'm gonna go for it. We can check it when we're done. Yeah, we'll check these when we're done. Trim, yeah, trim. Pick, okay. You pick your garden. Sage. What could be G blank GE? Gauge. Gauge have anything to do with gardening? Fern? You think fern? FERN? Oh yeah. Yeah, I did hi Sessa. I did put fern, but we'll check it just in case. With the answer sheet. And then this one, I don't know. Gauge, GAGE, but I don't know how that would fit with gardening. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put gauge. I don't see how that has to do with gardening, but I don't know. We'll check it for sure. P blank blank S. Look, pies. Pies have nothing to do with gardening. Pies, you gonna eat some pies? Pays, Pause. P EIS. I don't know if that's a word. I'm not sure. This could be not the next one. I'm gonna skip it because I don't know. That could be not. And this could be charred. I had this looks like seed from up there. I don't know of another word that it could be. Seed. Sade. Chord. Cord. Is that what is that? What is that? Cord or chord? Maybe. It could be, okay, says maybe chord, CHORD, so it can be O or A. Because I know there's a leafy vegetable called chard. I think chard. But this one looks like this up here, the seed. I don't know if they duplicated that one on here. Bid. This one could be bid, bad, bud. Do any of those words have to do with gardening? This could be sow, SOW, and maybe glow, but I don't glow. I don't know if any of those have to do. Soil, maybe sand, because I know that some people use it for soil. Where is that at? Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one, Cesar. Or leveling sand. I bet that's probably what it is. Sand. We'll check. And the next one was B and then something in D. Bud, bid, bad. Bud, bid, bad. Bed, like you have your vegetable bed. Isn't that a word that they use for their gardening beds? I think plant bed. Okay, yeah, I bet that's what it is, bed. And then this one's probably so. And then the last one, GL, wouldn't be glaw. GLEW, glue, I don't think so. GLI, glue. GLO, I mean, glow would be a word, but I don't know how that goes with gardening. Glow? GLUW doesn't make sense, so I guess the only one would be glow. I guess we can do process of elimination with those. Anybody have any ideas of these that we skipped that maybe before I check to see what they could be? We have the P blank blank S, P A, I'm not sure, turf, tarf. Okay, I think we're gonna go ahead and check them. Let's see. All right. So we have soil, grow, dirt, bark. So soil, grow, dirt. Yeah, okay, that one was bark. And then, let's see. Let's see if we can do it like this. Okay. And then bulb, pots, root. Oh, rack instead of rock. What would you do for a rack? Rack. I guess, would you use a rack? Huh. I think I'm going to pull out my dictionary, guys. Let me go get my dictionary. Let me see if the definition says anything about, I don't know about anything. Let me just see what it says. So in the dictionary for rack. Let's see. Rack. If I can find it here. Sorry. Let's see, rack. I went too far. Is it in here? Okay. So, I mean, I guess if you can see that. It says framework for display or storage. Instrument that stretches the body for, oh, no, it's not that. So it must be, so you hold the plants, the rack. So framework for display or storage. Okay. All right. Then the next one was turf, vine, hose, flax. Okay, it was flax. And then moss, trowel. It was lime, berry, fend. So I had find, and they said fend. What is fend? Have you ever heard of that word before? Fend. I don't know. These are words that I don't use every day. Oh, it says ward off. Fend. So I guess, would that be something like that you would, like bug spray or something? A fence? Defend? Okay, so this was, well, look at there. They had turf twice. See, that's what I was wondering. Turf and turf. Right there. All right, so haze. This is what I didn't know. Haze. I don't, haze, Hays. Hay. We have hay. I don't see haze here. Does anyone know what haze would mean? Maybe if we Google it. Use haze in a sentence. Let's see. Okay. It's not coming up. Well, I don't know. The only thing I found here is make hay while the sun shines. In good years, corn is hay. In ill years, straw is corn. So that's definitely a word that we don't use every day here. But Google says you can put in a sentence as make hay while the sun shines. In good years, corn is hay. So I don't know. Have you guys ever heard of that before? It's not even in my dictionary. Oh, well, it has herb as a grass. So, okay. I guess because the S, it threw me off right there. So here we have the iris, R-I-I-S. So I think that's, isn't that like a flower? All right, then the next, let's see the other words. This one is gonna be harder. So it is seed, weeds, leaf, herb, prune. Weeds, leaf, herb, prune. See, by doing those memory games, it help us remember stuff like this. And then let's see, crop tool, let's see, crop tool, shed fern. Crop tool, shed fern. Trim, pack, sage, gauge. Trim, pack, sage, and gauge. I wonder how gauge. So, and then that one that we didn't guess was peas. Oh, P-E-A-S. Of course. Gosh. Now looking at it, it's like, why didn't we guess that? Oh, goodness. And then, let's see. Not charred and seed. Not charred. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. We have seed in here twice. We had seed there and here, but the sand was a good substitute. Hello, Lipe. How are you? Good to see you. Oh my goodness. I missed you last week. I missed you. Yeah, you tried such it, but it was a very good guess. It's the book, it has it in there twice, so it's not even our fault. But the next one is bud, sow, and glow. Oh, okay, so we put bed and then sow and glow. Why? Let's see, bud. Like, would that be like, let's see, bud. Like a flower bud? Is that what it would be? Oh, yeah. Undeveloped plant shoot, partly open flower. Okay. Yeah. But why? Oh, I guess I didn't, I was thinking the ball. So that's why bud didn't even come to mind. But I guess that's two different things. All right. That was fun. I really enjoyed doing that missing vowel game.